In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to start a code or start a program in Scratch. First, once you've logged in, you may see a screen like this. This is our classroom in Scratch, our classroom account. You may see a different starting screen depending on how you logged in. So to start a new code, you're going to click on Create, and that will just open up the coding window and project window. Now, if you want to look for a tutorial, you then click on this tutorial page. But first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to name this. So I'm going to name it something that makes sense. I'm going to call it Coding 1, the name of our course, and then this is Assignment 1. This is useful for your benefits and for also when you submit the code to the Classroom Studio. So Coding 1, Assignment 1, or you could call it Tutorial 1 or something like that. You don't need to have your name in this. And then if you want to start a tutorial, you just click on the tutorial button, and then it opens all the different tutorials. Now there's lots to choose from. And as we begin to learn to use Scratch, you can choose some of these. They're fairly simple tutorials. And then once you start getting the hang of Scratch, you can then start Googling YouTube videos. For those of you that are more experienced, you might want to look at some tutorials that you can find on YouTube, or I'll show you another way to find more complex tutorials to learn from. Okay, so once you've chosen one of these, it will show the video and you'll be able to play the video and then do the coding as the lesson goes along.